Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got some Holmes twin window fans. So this fan is what you put on your windows and then it will like basically suck the hot air out and get the cold air in. So it's pretty hot where I live right now, so I got this to keep cool without using too much AC, I guess. Alright, so let's cut this open. Alright, so inside we have the window fan. Alright, so here it is. I don't think too much setup's required for this, to be honest. I think you just slide that on the window. Alright, so here it is. So I'm gonna stick this on my window and see if it's gonna fit or not. Alright guys, so let's put this on the window. First I'm gonna open the window real quick. Guys, so if you wanna take the window thing out, you just press and pull and then the thing just comes out like this. So you don't have to worry about like, pests to get in. Alright, so it was that easy. You just put it on, close the window on it. It's very simple. Now let's plug it in. Alright guys, so I just set the fan to intake and exhaust. So basically one of the fans is taking out all the hot air from my room and the other one's giving me cool air. So it's actually really good. Something I don't like about this is that thing is not very long. There's that one spot right here I can't figure out how to block, but I think I'll figure out a way. Hey guys, I just found this thing that was in the box, so I'm gonna put that on real quick. That's a little bit better. I mean, not perfect, but better. Alright, so basically it's plugged into an outlet, and here it is. You can click different modes. You can set it to low, you can set it to high. There's like a thermostat, you can control like the temperature of it. Here is where you can set the fans for, exhaust and intake, so you just control each fan individually how you want. So I'm just gonna set this to low. Alright, it's set to low and you can control like the direction of the fan. And now they're both blowing hot air out. And now you can do intake on both. And now they're both blowing cold air in. So I'm gonna set it to blowing cold air out and blowing cold air in, so it's very nice and cool in here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.